Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to send a video message on the Telegram application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the chats button down below and select a chat. Then down below on the right side corner of the screen you can find this camera icon, so you should hold your finger on it and then start recording. It is a video message, as you can see. You can also change your camera by this camera icon, reverse the camera, and when you are done you should send the message. Here it is. If you want to, you can hold your finger on it and delete the message. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.